Hey, this is gonna be a short video today. Well, I got some more stuff from Temu. One thing, like you guys have seen, I like fishing and stuff. So, here's one of these that's really cool. Small, but it has a little weight to it. But hopefully, I can use it. And another thing I'm gonna start doing, hopefully, is once I save enough money, is to, buy like a 3D printer and do some plastic ones and stuff like that of fishing lures. This one's, I think it might be some metal or whatever. But once I do that, maybe I can do it. But I'm gonna put this in here. Okay. Yeah, and I have a couple other things. These are like for sea fishing. Yeah, they're like excuse me. I'm not feeling so good today. But let me take these out. The only thing, one of them actually. The only thing I have to do is put a fishing hook in and stuff. It's a little like squid, and it does glow in the dark. So if I throw it out, if it's a cloudy day, it goes down. If it's dark, a little darker, it'll start to glow. So hopefully you guys can tell me what about this, if you guys have used these. This type of lure is the first time I used. I will be using. So I'm just gonna stick this in here. And these are pretty good. I mean, I had something similar before with other fish. But I can tell that I probably can use this type of small fishing head for this hook. You know what I mean? To do it. And hopefully this will look good. See if you... this is probably good for the like freshwater fish. This reminds me of like catfish. So, and what do you guys think of this? Is this good? And you like it? So please tell me. Well, please like and subscribe and follow so I can get up to like a few hundred, or like 1 million people. That would be great. And later on, next time, once I learn some more videos on how to do special hooks, how to, what's that called? So, like more than a 3-inch, because I usually do a fisherman knot, at least 3 knot, 3 notches, but the way I have seen some of my friends do it, they put it through and whatever to make it like a little, like necktie like. So I have to, practice with that first before I go on and, and show how it's done. Because I don't want to make any mistakes or whatever. But, thank you and you have a good day.